Welcome to Stories with April. I'm April. Today, we're going to read a book called Baby Farm Animals. I remember having it when I was a little kid, and then I found it at a flea market for 50 cents. It still has the tag on it. And I bought it. I wanted to share it with you. This is an old version of a golden book. Baby Farm Animals by Garth Williams. Baby kittens love playing on the farm. At night, the farmer gives them fresh cow's milk and they curl up together in the big red barn. Baby rabbit lives in a hutch, which is in his tiny little house. He sniffs noses with the kittens and puppies because they are all friends. Baby guinea pigs also have a hutch. Have you ever seen a guinea pig's tail? That rabbit has been up to some mischief, says the brown guinea pig. Baby donkey loves to eat juicy carrots. He's sitting down because he is tired. Somebody is trying to make him walk with those carrots tied on the end of a stick. I know that trick, he says. Baby ducklings swim in the pond with their wide webbed feet. Why don't you come for a swim? They ask the chicks. Baby chicks cannot swim. Mother says we must look for worms and stay out of the water, they reply. Baby piglets love clean straw to sleep on. A piglet digs with his nose, called a snout. If you pick him up or chase him, he will squeal for his mother. Help, help, help. Baby calf has soft brown eyes and says moo, which usually means she wants her mother and some milk. When she was only a few hours old, she could go for a walk with her mother and eat grass, daisies, and dandelions. Her father is a big, fierce bull. Baby puppies stay in the stable close to the horses. They growl and bark at strangers. They pretend that the shoe is a big bad wolf. They growl and bark at it too. Baby goats are called kids, just like little boys and girls. They try to knock each other down by butting their heads together. Their father has horns and a pointed beard. Baby cygnets will grow up to be swans. Now they are covered with smoke-colored down. Soon they will have pure white feathers and long, long necks. Baby gosling will be a big gray goose someday. See her brother with his head under the water. He is looking for something to eat. Baby horse we call a foal. He could walk the same day he was born. Now he gallops. After a week, and when he is 2 years old, he will be a beautiful horse, and man will be able to ride on his back. Perhaps he will win a race. Baby lamb is crying for his mother. Baa, baa, baa. If he looks in the barn, he will find her. In the spring, the farmer will shear his wool. Baby pony is taking kitten and puppy for a ride. He is a Shetland pony and will not grow very much bigger. And that's the end. Thank you for reading Baby Farm Animals with me today.